There's another fantastic world beneath the surface of the sea. We prepare to explore the depths with a specially fitted camera. Deep down we go, and deeper still. Where the light fades, we see only the dim outlines of the many types of fish and marine growth around us. Yes, we are on our own now. No city noises, no telephones, an eerie atmosphere, but fascinating and breathtaking in its beauty. We wonder at the fish in this strange, silent world. Quaint stickfish that hardly move their tails are evidently not frightened by our presence.